Hello everyone, this is Ramna. You are watching me on Tech My Hat channel. So before starting this video, I want to share one thing that if the candidates are interested to share their experience of interview or internship or training or job, so anything of experience, if you want to share through our YouTube channel, you can share with us. So if you are interested, you can ping us on Tech My Hat Instagram page, or you can also mail us. So the mail ID is provided in the description link. And the candidates who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and you will get the videos about the placement assistance and interview experience and a lot more from our YouTube channel.
Hello everyone. The job date for this video is IBM. So IBM Off Campus Drive 2021. So before starting this video, let me tell you one thing. Those who are waiting to apply, to want to get a job and who are in search for a job, please click the bell icon that when I post the job dates daily, you can get notifications of our videos. Because I can't assure that when the job link going to expire. Na? So if you want to apply for the job and if you are in need of a job, please click the bell icon. You will get notifications of jobs whenever I post the jobs. At the same time, you can apply for the job without any delay. So let's move to the video. So the job date from IBM. So IBM Off Campus Drive 2021. So the eligible branches will be like a BE or BTech, ME or MTech, MCA, BSc, MSc, and BECA across India. So they are going to provide two roles here. So that's why the different roles have different eligibility criteria. Let me show you that. So IBM scheduled to hire for the role of associate technical engineer for these branches like BSc, MSc, BCA, MCA diploma graduates, and associate systems engineer for BE or BTech, ME or MTech, the MCA graduates. So detailed eligibility criteria will be given here. Like for this associate system engineer, the qualification is given like this. It will be across India. For associate technical engineer, the qualification will be like this. So coming to the package, they are going to offer up to 4.2 LPA, and the eligible batches will be for this one for associate system engineer. For this, the role will be associate system engineer, and qualification will be like a BE or BTech, ME or MTech, MCA. So eligible batch will be 2018, 19, 20, 21 pass out batches. So and salary up to 4.2 LPA. Job location will be like Gurugram and Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata. And coming to the eligibility criteria, like as I mentioned, batches and 6 point CGPA or 60% is minimum across all from across graduation. So and post graduation if you have any. So this is the no current backlog is also eligibility criteria, and this is about eligibility criteria. And let me show you one thing like technical skills required, like defining, analyzing, reviewing technical architecture, and demonstrating strong knowledge of enterprise issues related to IT architecture, and something related to this. So and let me show you how to apply for the job. So you can be like three ways, three stages to apply for the job. First is like apply to the job opening on the IBM career portal. So I will provide this everything link, and if you click this, so it will redirect to IBM career portal. So there will be three stages and apply for this job. So let me show you that. So the first stage is like they are provided this associate system engineer here now. So we have to everything like what I mentioned there, everything is will be mentioned here for this job. So you have to click on apply now. So after submitting this data, you will get one reference ID. So that is the next step where you have to complete the process of job application. So at this, you will have to fill the your communication details and everything here. So let me show you that. So here, like a resume, you have to provide and first name, last name, and everything. Primary skill set. They have defined some drop down list. You have any one of the skills you can give here. So after giving everything data, later you will get one reference ID to your mail. So your mail ID will be given here. So to your mail, it will get reference ID from the IBM team. So later on, what we have to do is, so candidates will receive an email which will have candidate reference ID. So later on, you have to fill this reference ID at here. So complete the candidate reference number and complete the form here. So if you click this one, later on, so you have to register for the job with the reference ID they have sent to your email ID. Let me show you that. So this is the main thing. So the job, everything they have mentioned. So you have to click register here. Then later on you have to give the data and we have to verify and everything. And as I mentioned, IBM candidate reference number. So this will be got your email ID in the first step. So when you apply for this here, you will get a reference ID to your mail. So for that reference ID you have to give in here. So this is the last step of application for this job. So you have to giving everything data. The further communication will be by mail. So this is the two steps of job application for IBM. So this is the best opportunity, guys. They have giving up to 4.2 LPA, and a lot of branches from different streams are eligible. So this is the best job application I can say. So those who are in need of a job, please apply for the job. And so I will provide the job links in description, and you can go through it. So after submitting every data, the further communication will be mail, whether how will be assessment will go on, and what is the technical rounds, and everything will be go on the mail. So further communication will be sent from IBM to your registered email ID. So thank you guys. This is job date from IBM. So please subscribe to the channel now, and we will post the job dates, as well as we are also going to post um, about technical interview questions and how to prepare a resume and the latest interview experiences. So different things like complete placement material we are sharing from our YouTube channel. So thanks for subscribe, and please share this video if anyone want need a job. So thank you guys.